Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Rotate Brush tool. The Rotate Brush tool allows you to change the rotation of your brush. To use it, click on the Rotate Brush icon on the toolbar or press the N shortcut key. In this example, we will use the Pro Palette Knife brush with a square shape modifier. Click and drag on the canvas to set the rotation degree. Then, you can select the brush tool again or just paint with the right mouse button. Now, we have painted a number of lines with the same brush, but with different rotational degrees. An alternative of the Rotate Brush tool is the Brush Rotation modifier, where you can choose between different rotation degree values.